revolt. आपको पता हो दिगंबर विश्वास and Vishnu Vishwas in the Nadia district, and then it was British planter. Second one I said that 1870 Pabna movement. It was against the Jamindar suppression in the Pabna district. Understood? Thereafter we have seen 1875 Deccan riots in Pune, Ahmednagar, Aurangabad region by the, I said that farmers against the money lenders. Then we have been able to see 1879, it is in a converted Ramosis tribal into the land farmers and the increase of the land tax against this Ramosis in the Satara district. And thereafter we have been able to see, I said in 1930 in Mewar region, not Marwar, east of Aravali. In Mewar region, that is Udaipur, I said that it is done by the, I said, Sadhu Sitaram Das, Bhoop Singh, and later on by 1916 it is, I said that Manik Lal, and then they said that no land revenue to any ruler or anyone, Maharana Udaipur, chahe koi bhi ho. Thereafter I said that because they are demanding extra ejection. Then in the 1917 Champaran Satyagraha, understood? And then Champaran Satyagraha, Gandhiji, we have seen that what is the meaning of soul force. And what is the, I said that kya hota hai, that it is in a satyagraha, understood? And then thereafter हमने बोला कि सत्याग्रह क्या है, that it is in a what cause is true. What is I said that when the cause is true and if the fight or struggle is what injustice, understood? If the struggle is injustice, then there is no use of physical force, understood? ये main agenda that we have to understand. And physical force का मतलब there is no satyagrahi said that no use of physical force, but the satyagrahi should not inflict pain on the adversaries, and whatever the situation is there, they should not think ill will against the others. Understood? Therefore, it has been said that satyagraha soul substance is truth. Yes or not? And it is in a soul force. And thereafter, the Gandhi followed the first experiment at Tin Katia system in the under the what is the person who came Rajkumar Sukla, and finally he has been able to provide a Champaran agrarian law, understood, 1918. He has been for the Bihar and Odisha, and then he was under the Sai Frank committee में ये part भी बन चुके थे, and then it was becoming famous. Then another we have seen 1918 Kheda movement, and in the Kheda movement it is, and I said that Mohanlal Pandya was actually, and then Gandhi came to the Kheda region, and the measure it is 1/4 was produced, crop failure, and then important I said that no need to pay revenue code, and finally British government also get ready, okay you pay, if the farmers is able to pay and not able to pay, then not to pay, understood? And then Gandhi becomes successful, and also it is supported by Vallabhbhai Patel and then Mahadev Desai. Thereafter we have been able to see in Bardoli Satyagraha in 1928. In the 1928 is an extra increase in the tax. It is an extra increase in the tax, understood? हम लोग British planters भी देख चुके हैं, and the increase in the tax का मतलब ही है, I said that 30%, and this is the situation of, I said, then economic depression in the world in 26. And then Congress ने बोला कि we have to survey it, we have to find the real causes, and then they find the real cause is true, and therefore they send Vallabhbhai Patel, and then women over there they have given the title of Sardar. And इन्होंने कितने लगभग 10 से 15 छावनी, इतना याद रखना है, एक्चुअल में 13 छावनी है, but we have to remember 10 to 15 camps they have established. And then what he has done, I said that they started spreading Bardoli Satyagraha Patrika journal, and then through this they started giving an idea about to do not pay land revenue until unless there is no independent tribunal, or we have to pay the same current tax, nothing to this. And then the situation started becoming little worse, and then it has been said that any farmer who is ready to pay the tax of 30% increase, they will have to face social boycott. इसी समय आप बॉम्बे लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल के पास चले जाएं, वहां पर तो वहां पर के एम मुंशी एंड लाल जी they have resigned for this cause, and then the railway strike is going to happen. Therefore, who came? Gandhi ji come in this case, and thereafter they have been able to put in a 6.03%. Now we have been able to see, like I said, that UP Kisan Sabha. In the UP Kisan Sabha, I said that it is done by, I said that Gauri Shankar Misra, yes, and then Indra Narayan Dwivedi and Madan Mohan Malviya. And UP Kisan Sabha, it is against the Jamindars, and then they used to generally increase the, I said that illegal increase in the levies, and then I said taxes, and then they are also causing betakli, then summary eviction, then increasing the rent and everything that is also, and this is time, it is the time in the India after the First World War, the food cost has been increased. Therefore, the situation was not good. Then under the home rule activist, these three leaders has started. Understood? In the region of Awadh. And thereafter in this one there is a Jhinguri, and then Konthe, Durga, yes, and then Durga Pal Singh, and then I said that Baba Ramchandra called upon Nehruji. Nehru visited this region and also interacted with the, and in this it has been found that ki aapko don't pay the, what I said, that revenue, refuse the doing the tilling on the land, or you do not do, I said that hurry and begar, the different things it has been said that, और यही सेम चीज एका मूवमेंट में भी बोलूंगा मैं, and then but how much time they can sustain this thing. And by reaching 1921, the situation changed, the pattern changed. They started attacking on the money lenders, looting the money, looting the bazaar and all. Then therefore the British suppression came into play, and then this 1921 it has been suppressed. And then we have been able to see, I said that 1921 Eka movement has been started with the help of Congress leaders and then Khilafat leaders, and then Madari Pasi, along with some lower caste leaders. And then its a main issue was, I said that unity in the religion in the northwestern of Awadh region, in the Bahraich, in the region of, I said that कौन सा रीजन, बहराइच, और उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो मैंने बताया था, 450 ब्रांचेस, सुल्तानपुर, फैजाबाद, और यहाँ पे जो है इन द बहराइच, लखीमपुर, खेरी, हरदोई, सीतापुर, these are the regions which are the centers are there. Understood? In these regions they are, what is the concentrating, और वो सेम चीज़ ही था, that they are, I said that 50% increase in the tax, and then I said that suppression done by the talukdars, zamindars and all. इसलिए इन लोगों ने get together and they said that do not pay the tax, and then do not do hurry and begar and all these things, and but we have to abide the panchayat decision. Understood? But finally by the Britishers and talukdar zamindar it has been also suppressed by 1922, and thereafter we have been able to see, I said, All India Kisan Sabha, which has been started in the Lucknow region by the, I said that Sahajanand Saraswati, and then N.G. Ranga as a General Secretary, and then in this 1930, in the same year, I said that in Fezpur there is a meeting has been taken place between All India Kisan Sabha and then Congress leader, and then Congress leader, their agenda was agrarian policy for the point of view of 1937 election, and this is the way we have finished with this. Okay, so we have been able to see these are the peasant movements. So these are the three big things we have finished. I said that socio-religious movement, tribal movements, and then I said that different ideas and all. इतने अच्छे से रिवीजन करो कि you should not leave any question if the question come from this region. And another point we have been able to see, like I said, that peasant movements. Understood? So generally इस areas पे generally teachers never work on it, and they used to give the notes. अब हम लोग देखेंगे, I said that the ये चीज लिखा हुआ है notes में कि नहीं लिखा हुआ है ना, ध्यान से रखेंगे. Impoverishment, the Indian peasantry was a direct result of the transformation of agrarian structure due to impoverishment of the Indian peasant. Why do the Indian peasants are becoming poorer and poorer? Understood? And was a direct result of transformation of agrarian structure. Understood? Agrarian structure change हो रहा था. Why do the agrarian structure was changing? suppose through the subsidiary alliance a particular kingdom has been annexed. Clear? There are artisans, painters, musicians, and then I said that army men, all will become unemployed. All will become. अब ये unemployed हो गए तो कहाँ जाएंगे अब ये? They will put pressure on the land. Understood? They are converting into farmer. So agricultural structure is changing or not? Yes. Now, whatever the some industries are there in our India, some people are also working under the industries. And then what happened? They have done such an economic policy in which they made the India to be only the market and then source of raw material. Slowly and slowly, industry also what? Declined. They did not support any industrialization increase in the improvement in the industry in India. Jab industry in India will not increase, then suddenly, slowly and slowly, people from those who are working, suppose I said that you need a transportation. रेलवे आपके लिए बनाई नहीं है, आप अपना ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं करोगे. अंडरस्टूड? रेलवे इन्होंने बनाया अपने सहूलियत के लिए, so that raw material can come and the finished product coming from Europe and is in Britain, they can be able to give it to you. इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है? समझ में? Agrarian structure is changing. Understood? I said that colonial economic policies. Can you understand that? Colonial economic policies is one of the major cause of what? Change in the agrarian structure, and then there is an impoverishment in. और कैसे इसको explain करोगे? How will explain it? Yes. Yes, tell me. Economic policy में क्या था? Mercantilism. What is I said that? Mercantilism. तो first point इसमें आप लिख लेंगे. What I said that? Mercantilism. Which point you will write? Mercantilism का मतलब है कि you are doing for the benefit of your mother country, not for the benefit of the colonial country. Economic policy. First it is mercantilism. Second point I discuss with you. और सेकेंड पॉइंट आपसे मैंने क्या डिस्कस किया? यस यस लॉस ऑफ रूलर्स, लॉस ऑफ थ्रू द सम पॉलिसीज. विच आर द पॉलिसी? आई सेड दैट सब्सिडरी अलायंस. और उससे कौन कौन से आ गए? देर आर कौन कौन से पर्सन बिकम अनएम्प्लॉयड? पैट्रोनाइज्ड आर्टिसंस, पेंटर्स, अंडरस्टूड, courtiers and then army men. कौन कौन लोग unemployed हो गए? Who become unemployed? Artisans, yes, patronized artisans, जिनको पैसा मिलता था हमेशा. Musicians, yes, and then painters, and then there is, and I said that courtiers, and then I said that army men, all become unemployed. So the number of population, so that become what? This population converted into farmer. Converted into, so it is in a pressure on the land. It is in a pressure on the agricultural land. Next point देखेंगे, ruin of handicrafts leading to overcrowding of the land again. Handicrafts, some handicraft industries are there, we have small industries, yes, and we are doing weaving at level of what I said that handicraft. हम लोग छोटे छोटे जितने भी प्रोड्यूस करते थे, it is at the level of small scale industries. So all the small scale industries, they have been ruined and they made us only market. They made us only market. Again, those people become, those who are having working under it, they become unemployed, and again they become pressure on the land. And the new land revenue system. Understood? And then now, earlier you are paying less. Now Jamindari system, Rayatwari system and Mahalwari system. In 1893, which system come? Jamindari. Which system come? Or in which region of India? Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Eastern UP. Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Eastern UP. Perhaps you remember that I said that who has started? Cornwallis. Who has started? Cornwallis. And if I am talking about by Lord Cornwallis, Jamindari system. In this one, Jamindar was taking 1/11 and then 10/11, and 10/11 goes to, I said that, British. Understood? And then I said that, it was in the region of Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, and Eastern UP. Thereafter we are watching, I said that Rayatwari system, which has been started by, I said that, Munro. Which one I said that? Munro. And आपको ये पता है कि रात में लोग मुन्नी बाई के यहाँ जाते हैं.